How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if your Wi-Fi icon is not showing in your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're not able to find Wi-Fi icon, the first option is to look for the taskbar overflow. On the taskbar, there is this arrow icon right here. So sometimes the icon may be hidden, so click on this up arrow icon on the taskbar. If it is available here, look for the Wi-Fi icon, and if it is there, you have to click on it and drag and drop it to the main taskbar area. But if that's not your case, and if you're not able to find the Wi-Fi icon again, the second option is to restart your network services. For that, all you have to do is press your Windows plus R key in your keyboard. Once you see this run prompt in your device, you have to type in services.msc, then press enter in your keyboard. After you do that, you will have the services loaded in your interface. So from here, you have to head towards the network. So you have to click on any one of the option here, then click on or press N in your keyboard. After that, you will land on the N section. So here you have to first of all find the network connections and ensure that these services are running. If it is not running, you have to right click on the services, then click on start. After that, you will see running right here. The next one is network list services. Make sure it is running. If it is not, right click on it and then set it to start. If still not, then find out network location awareness and again right click on it and then click on start and make sure all the services are running. So once you have done that, you can close your services and go ahead and check if you can find the Wi-Fi icon or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to look for your Windows update. Missing system tray items can be fixed by update, so you have to look for your Windows update. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. So click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for settings. After that, head towards the last option, that is Windows Update. Once you land on here, you will see all of your available updates. So click on check for updates, and if the updates is available, make sure to install all of the available updates. Once you update your Windows, you can close this and go ahead and check if that will help you solve your problem or not. If this still does not help you, then you can try to reinstall or update your network adapter drivers. Sometimes the corrupted drivers can also hide your Wi-Fi icon. For that, you have to click on the search icon. Now search for device manager and then click on it. After device manager, head towards the network adapter. Once you expand your network adapter, you have to find your Wi-Fi adapter, right click on it. After that, click on uninstall. Once you click on it, this adapter will be removed from here. Now to install it again, head towards the action option at the top, and here you have to click on scan for hardware changes. After that, your Wi-Fi adapter will be installed back inside your network adapter. After that, you can close your device manager, refresh your device and check whether you are able to find the option or not. If that still does not help you, then you can reset your network settings, which will reset all of your network configuration. So if you want to reset your network settings, again you can go to your settings in your device. After that, head towards the internet or network and internet. On the network and internet, scroll down a bit and head towards advanced network settings, and here click on network reset. Now click on reset now. After that, your PC will restart and remove all of your saved Wi-Fi passwords. So in that case, you have to re-enter the password and then reconnect it. After that, your problem might get solved and you may have the Wi-Fi icon back on your taskbar. So try out all of the solutions and that will help you solve your problem. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.